Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well, staying safe, and clearly I have some updates for everyone. But yeah, guys, this is going to be a relaxer slash hair update. Everything that has been going on with my hair, like not post quarantine, because we're still technically in quarantine, but I'm going to share with you guys what I did to my hair this past Friday. Today's Saturday. So if you guys want to see updates on my hair, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so as we can see, there have been a lot of changes. I'm going to put on some chapstick because my lips look atrocious right now. Hold on, hold the phone. I'm almost out of this one. Okay, much better. So, if you guys are new here, I am relaxed. I've been relaxed since I want to say I was like 9 years old, 10 years old. I personally love being relaxed. I don't see myself not being relaxed anytime soon. But if you don't like relaxed hair videos, click out of the video now. I have received recent hate comments. They're not hate comments. They're just people expressing their opinion not so nicely. So if you guys don't like relaxed hair videos, you don't have to watch. I'm not forcing this down your throat. So just don't watch. Okay? So for today's video, it's going to be a relaxer update, hair update, / everything update. So let's go ahead and get started. So obviously I got some extensions. I'll start off with the relaxer process first. I live in New York. So everything is taking a really long time to open, but thankfully hair salons did open. My last relaxer was in February, so it's been a few weeks. It's been a couple weeks, and I was getting very nervous because my hair, I can take care of my hair really well when it needs a relaxer because I pre-poo, I condition, I do everything. So it's never a feeling of oh, my hair is going to break off if I don't get a relaxer. It's just that at one point, my hair just needs a relaxer. And I was definitely at that point. I feel like a lot of us in quarantine were like, oh crap, how am I going to get my relaxer? And I'm at the point in my hair journey now where I would never self-relax because I've worked so hard to get my hair where it is that I personally know that my hair would just not cooperate with me. And I don't want to risk it. So I was like, you know what? If anything happens, it's funny because the hair shops were closed, everything was closed, so I was like, oh, I'll just put my hair into braids until the salons open and everything. But I couldn't even get braiding hair because even Sally's was closed. I couldn't even get braiding hair from Sally's. So I was in quite a predicament. I was just wearing my hair in buns for a long periodically time because I just didn't have the energy to deal with my hair. So especially working full time, it was just not the move. So I'm so happy to be relaxed. I will tell you guys all about what my hairstylist does. And yeah, so my hairstylist, I've been going to her since I was in 5th grade, 6th grade. She's great. She parts my hair into 3 sections. This is all the regular stuff that every relaxer update has. She bases my scalp, not my entire scalp, just my edges and my parts and everything, because I have a really strong scalp, so she doesn't need to do the whole scalp. She uses the Affirm relaxer. Sometimes she uses 2 tubs, sometimes she uses 1 tub. I have really thick hair. You will see that being a general theme throughout this video of me having very thick hair. I know it doesn't look like it now, but I have very thick hair and I have a lot of hair. So that I love it, but sometimes it's a lot to deal with. So my new growth was very, very thick. My new growth is always very, very thick and very coily and curly. That's the only reason I would really like to see how my hair is natural, because I know I got some thick corals and coils. But that's a story for another day. So she does my whole relaxer. She has to go through it I don't know how to describe it, lengthwise, like this, and then she goes down like this, and I don't know how to describe it, but she parts it because my hair is so thick. That's the only way that my hair gets straight. So she has to go, she doesn't add more relaxer each time, but she just parts through it. 2 times, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I hope I am. So she does that. She lets it sit for just a few minutes because it takes a lot for my hair to take relaxer because my hair is so thick. An ongoing theme, as you guys see. And then she washes it out. I believe she uses the, what's it called? Neutralizing shampoo. I don't think it's from a firm. I think it's the, I don't remember. It's in a purple bottle. It's the same maybe brand as the 2-minute reconstructor. What brand is that? I can't remember, but everything's fine. So she does that, and then she washes my hair, conditions it, and deep conditioned it. So yeah. So I did dye my hair black, as you guys can see. If you guys look back to like previous videos, I am kind of like a dirty blonde kind of naturally. I have like natural blonde highlights. My hair is like a light brown color naturally, which you're probably like, why didn't you stick with that for summer? But you're not my real dad. You can't tell me what to do. So I just personally really like black hair in myself. I feel like it gives me more versatility. I don't know what I'm saying, but it just makes, I feel like when I have my light brown hair and then I have my light brown skin, I just look like a walking mozzarella stick because I'm all like one tone. But when I have dark hair, I feel like it really like makes my makeup look pop. It makes my skin look better. It's all around better for everyone involved. So I went ahead and did dye my hair black. She just dyes it straight black, not blue black, not anything like that. It's just black. And yeah, so she lets that sit for like a half an hour or so, and then rinse that out. I think she deep conditioned. She shampooed one time to just get like the color out, and yeah. Then she put the rollers in my hair, and I only sat under the rollers for about a half an hour just because I was putting in the extensions, so there really wasn't a need for me to sit under the dryer for like the entire time because she was just going to blow me out anyway so that she could start the extensions. So I have Brazilian extensions in. If you guys don't know what it is, they're like little, they're not beads. They, I don't know how to describe it or if you guys will be able to see, but they look like this. They're like little individual pieces. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. And like she wraps a piece of like rubber band around the hair, and she takes a piece of my hair, a piece of the extension, and puts it together and like wraps them together so that it's just one little piece. So this is what it looks like. So my natural hair is out as well as having the extension. So let me see if I can show you guys. So this is the whole one piece of hair, and then my extension is like obviously the long hair, and then this is my natural hair that is out as well. So my natural hair obviously is pretty long as well, but this is my natural hair, this is the extension, but it's bonded together at the top with this rubber band, which I don't know if you guys will be able to see. I'm trying to get closer. Yeah, you can see a little bit better here. So that's what I have all over my head. I think I have I think I have 7 rows of extension, and originally we were planning to do 4 and like a half, and I had to get 7 because my hair is so thick. So so yes, the last time I got these done was about, I think, 3 years ago, and I had them shorter, so they were like probably to here, so I didn't need as many rows because it was shorter, but I wanted to go long, so in order to keep the thickness and everything, we had to put more rows of extensions, which I didn't mind because I wanted everything to blend seamlessly, and as you guys see, it really does. So the whole process took about 6 hours, 5.5 hours or so in the salon. And my salon, my hairstylist is working only one person at a time. So it was just me in the salon. Well, my mom came because obviously my mom and I have been together since like quarantine. So it's not anything too serious. And we both wore a mask. Everything was disinfected. They took our temperature, the whole 9. So I wasn't worried, and plus I've known my hair lady for like years and years and years, so I trust her, and I know that she wouldn't be open if she wasn't, following all the protocol or whatever. So that's this. I have 20 and 22-inch extensions in. The hair quality is amazing. I don't know where my hairstylist got this hair, but I just trust her with everything. So I was like, just put it in my hair and everything will be fine. So yeah, I think that's it. It was a really great experience. I love my hairstylist. I love my hair. If you guys live in the New York area, like Hudson Valley area, and you want her information, you can just message me on Instagram. I will have my Instagram listed down below. I'm just not going to put it out publicly because, like I said, it's kind of like a privacy matter. But if you guys want her information and like the way my hair looks, definitely DM me on Instagram. But yeah, so this is my hair. I'm so happy with it. I just wanted something different for summer, and I think I'm going to keep this in for a long time. And yeah, I was going to get braids, but I feel like with the braids, you're like stuck with the braids. Like you can't really like do any styles, but with this hair, like I can curl it, I can put it up in a bun, I can put it up in like a half up, half down look. If you guys want a video all about the Brazilian extensions, I can do that for you guys. I know that a lot of people are interested in like hair extensions and like the different types and everything. This is the only type that I've like permanently, I think. Yeah, I've never had a sew-in. Have I had a sew-in? I don't think I have. I don't think so. I can't remember, but I've done clip-ins and I've done these. So I have like a little bit of experience with extensions, but if you guys want a video on it, I can definitely do that for you. I think that's all I have to say. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. Yeah, I love you girls. I hope that you're doing well, and I will talk to you in the next one very soon. Bye.